Hey everyone, this is JP with Oracle Lighting. Today we're here to check out the new 7-inch Oculus Switchback headlights for the Jeep Wrangler JK. Just like our 9-inch version, this features a white amber switchback halo and is 100% plug and play with all Wrangler JK models. The install is very simple. Let's get into that now. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop the hood. So normally the OEM grille has 6 push fasteners across the top. Because this is an aftermarket grille, it looks like they switched them out for Phillips fasteners. So we're gonna lightly remove this and we're going to pry these out. All right, so with the fasteners removed from the top, we're just gonna pull on the bottom of the grille. And we're gonna pull this out. So next we just need to unplug the park light turn signal. We're also going to unplug the turn signal on the other side. And Scotch locks. It's obvious that these headlights have been installed for a long time. The trim ring has now bonded itself with the lens. So we're going to go ahead and try to pry this off lightly with a screwdriver and hope we don't damage the factory headlight. And we just need to free this up on both sides. There we go. So on the passenger side, there's a power steering reservoir here. It looks like this one is kind of in the way. However, this is a really easy fix. There's a 10mm bolt at the top securing it in. All you need to do is loosen that and then you can simply just push it back, tighten that down, and you'll have all the clearance you need. Now we're going to take our new Oculus headlight. We're going to plug in the main headlight connector. Really good snap there. We are going to route our turn signal park light plug through the opening. Then we're going to go ahead and set this in place. We are going to reinstall our trim ring. All we need to do is plug in our included Y adapter. 2 of these come in the box. We're going to simply plug one end into the factory harness. We're going to lock that into place. We are going to plug one end into the Oculus headlight connector. And this will plug into the factory socket to retain your factory turn signal park light bulb. We're going to plug this end in. We're going to lock down our slider. We're going to tuck away our harnesses. You can zip tie these out of the way if you need to. All you need to do is repeat these steps on the other side and put the grill back on and you're finished.